Hi everyone! If you're heading to Belize, we highly recommend visiting the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve near San Ignacio. This amazing nature reserve is located in the west of Belize and features breathtaking forests, waterfalls, caves, and creeks. In this video, we'll show you 4 of the best places to visit in the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve. This includes the Caracol Mayan Ruins, Rio Frio Cave, Rio Pools, and Big Rock Falls. If you don't have a set of wheels, the best way to explore all 4 of these attractions is by doing a full day tour from San Ignacio. When it comes to choosing a tour, it's important to check what places are included in the itinerary. Many of the full day tours will visit the reserve, but won't visit all 4 attractions mentioned in the intro. For your convenience, we've added a link to the right hand corner of the video and to the description below of a Viator tour that visits all 4 attractions. Anyway, regardless of which specific tour you choose, you'll notice that most tours combine visiting the Caracol Mayan Ruins with visiting the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve. That's because Caracol is located just south of the reserve in the Chickabull Forest Reserve. In fact, you'll need to drive through the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve to reach Caracol. So most tours visit Caracol in the morning and then stop at attractions in the reserve in the afternoon. For more information about visiting Caracol, make sure to read our blog post. You'll find a link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below. After exploring the Caracol Mayan Ruins, you'll start to visit natural attractions in the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve. One of these stops includes the Rio Frio Cave, which is one of the most incredible cave systems in Belize. You'll also visit 2 stunning waterfalls in the reserve. This includes Rio Pools and Big Rock Falls. Beck and I really enjoyed wild swimming at Big Rock Falls. So that's a quick snapshot of a tour exploring the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve. In this video, we've also included some bonus footage of the Xunantunich Mayan Ruins. Other than visiting the Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve during a stay in San Ignacio, it's also worth visiting the Xunantunich Mayan Ruins. These ruins are easy to explore independently from San Ignacio. For more details, make sure to read our blog post. Again, you'll find the link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below.